Okay, so I'm doing a service call. I came out here maybe a week ago, and I had to completely rebuild the burner assembly. The guy had gotten into it, and you can see he made all these notations and wrote part numbers down and stuff like that. So I had to rebuild it, and I ended up changing the valve. I think their main problem is the circuit board, but I told him to reach out to Rheem. So Rheem sent a bunch of parts, so now they want me to install the new parts. So that is what I'm here to do, is put these new parts in. It's basically a valve. So we're going to be putting a different valve in, a brand new valve and a brand new circuit board, and it came with a chamber sensor too. I personally don't think they need to replace the chamber sensor because they're not getting chamber sensor errors, but that's what they want. So we'll take that and we'll take that. So we're going to do a bunch of work here. So I took the valve off already. There's two tabs right here, and then basically a screw that holds it in, and you can get the valve out. We'll take out the burner assembly. Just going back in. Can't see it because this thing's in the way. It's really difficult to do here. Oh boy, I almost forgot the chamber sensor. We've been hurting for sure. Okay, I believe I heard the pilot right there. weird. I didn't hear the spring wind up on this at all. Oh, that's strange. Alright. Appreciate you watching. Consider subscribing. So what we did was we changed the chamber sensor, we changed the circuit board and the valve. Those are all the parts they sent. So my truck's in the shop, so I don't have my pipe dope, so I used a little bit of Teflon tape, but I don't like cranking these down too much because you can crack the aluminum valve. But I'll probably get a little soapy water and test that for leaks while it's running. But I did not hear the spring wind up on the valve cover. Usually you can hear this like winding spring. Ooh. Always makes me a little nervous. Anyway,